Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to welcome you to County Court at Law Number 2. My name is Judge Terrence Holmes. I'm the presiding judge here in County Court at Law Number 2. This morning we have 3 dockets. We have a trial docket, pretrial conference docket, and an announcement docket. When I call your name, please come before the bench with your attorney. If your attorney is not here, we'll wait for your attorney to arrive because your attorney may be in another court handling another matter. If you are representing yourself or if you are not represented by an attorney, then when I call your name, please come before the bench by yourself. Say, Mr. Paget, you had a matter.
Yeah.
Is it on
Gutierrez, Your Honor, and I have.
Christopher Gutierrez?
Mr. Gutierrez is on your pretrial docket.
Okay, yeah, Mr. Okay.
There's a reason we put him on.
Okay, Mr. Gutierrez, you can take your mic off of mute. It's Christopher Gutierrez.
Yes, Your Honor.
How are you doing?
I'm doing all right.
That's good. You're represented in your cases by your attorney, Attorney James Paget. Mr. Paget, how are you doing?
Doing well. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. State is represented in these cases by Attorney Farrah Nixon. Ms. Nixon, how are you doing?
I'm wonderfully how are
Yes,
you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. And Mr. Paget, what's your announcements in Mr. Gutierrez's cases?
Your Honor, we had originally applied for pretrial diversion and were denied. The last time we were in here, Ms. Nixon and I agreed that I was going to resubmit and put a packet together because there's a DWI and an unlawful carrying. So we checked this morning and there's still no answer on the packet. Evidently from speaking to the prosecutor, Mr.
Connaught?
Yes, Mr. Canal went on vacation and last week he was busy with something. So I just happened over here because somebody else had applied in the same situation and they haven't got a response yet. We checked and there's still no response on it. I do have an alternative offer. So as soon as I hear whether Mr. Canal accepts or denies the packet, we'll either move forward with the alternative offer that we have or we'll sign for pretrial.
Okay, just give me a reset date. Yes.
Absolutely.
July 6th.
Okay, this case, well, these cases will be reset to July 6th, 2026. Our court coordinator will send you a reset in the mail.
Absolutely.
Mr. Gutierrez, stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You'll be getting notice of your reset. Your reset date is July 6th, 2026. On that day, you need to be in court in person. All right, so Mr.
All right.
Gutierrez, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you. Likewise.
Thank you.
And Your Honor, I have a Tawana Leisure, which is
On what?
Vernon's case, but on that, but it's Mr. Williams.
On announcement, okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Tawana Leger?
Yeah, she wants to,
Huh?
I gotta give her a clipboard. Let me tell you.
Oh, you have a motion to withdraw in the file?
I do not, but again, I didn't want to speak until she was.
Oh, it was already granted. Who, hold on, wait a minute.
I'd applied, but
Hold on.
Hold on.
Let me see who, hold on, let me see. Let me see first. Tawana Leger, let's see, hold on a minute.
it was,
Let me see, why would, it say, unless it was somebody else? Hold on a minute.
yes, I think there might have been an attorney appointed when she was in custody and then I had to file a motion.
Okay,
substitute.
okay, hold on, let's see. There was appointment of counsel and there was a motion to substitute.
That was my motion to substitute, Your Honor.
Okay, yes, okay. All right. And Miss Leger, how are you doing?
All right, yourself.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And Miss Leger, you're represented in your case by your attorney and Attorney Paget. State is represented in this case by Attorney Cornelius Williams. Miss Williams, how are you doing?
Very well, Your Honor. And how are you and your exceptional staff?
I'm doing-
Mighty fine Monday.
We're doing fine, thanks for asking.
You're welcome.
And Mr. Paget, what is your announcement in Ms. Leger's case?
Your Honor, unfortunately, from reading the room, it looks like Miss Elijah may be getting ahead of the game a little bit here. I told Mr. Williams I've been unable to review Discover with my client because at a point she just refused to start responding to me, and it looks like the reason is she may be wanting a court-appointed attorney, but unfortunately, she didn't just speak with me and let's discuss it together as adults. She just stopped communicating with me, so I can't really say what my announcement is. I have all the discovery.
Well,
I have not.
okay.
There's been no communication.
Understand. So Miss Leger, the way the process works is, I know you say you want to apply for court appointed attorney. He has to sign a,
You asked for the paperwork, so I assume
Yeah.
that's what you wanted.
he has to file a, he has to,
I didn't know you, I'm sorry, I didn't know you were still representing me.
Well,
why I mean,
because, I see that all the messages I've sent you have been received. I can see that on my phone.
Mhm.
And I've not responded, you haven't responded, and I have the same office for 29 years, and,
Mhm.
you haven't come to my office, so I would assume that it would be just the opposite. I can't represent you if you don't communicate with me.
okay, so what we're gonna do, so Mr. Paget is your attorney.
Correct.
Mr. Paget, we'll reset this case.
Your Honor, just to respect my client, I did not file a motion to withdraw until I wanted to hear what her explanation was, because I've been unable to communicate with her. At this point, if you would reset the case, of course, I'm here for her to communicate with me. Otherwise, my intention would be to file a motion to withdraw and have a hearing.
Okay, so, give us a standard reset. Let's do this here. No, give me a 2-week reset.
Fine. I
Yeah,
can
so
file a motion today.
we're gonna see if they serious about communicating with your attorney.
I'm in the
Okay.
same place every day, Your Honor.
Okay, give us that, reset. Okay, this case is reset to June 22nd, 2026 at 9 AM. Mr. Paget,
Yes, Your Honor.
your reset will be sent to you in the mail, and, her reset, okay. You'll get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. Okay?
Yes, sir.
You can stand in front of the court coordinator. You're free to go. You have a blessed day.
You too.
Okay.
Your Honor, I believe that would be my last case. May I be excused?
Yes, you're free to go.
Thank you very much. Mr. Williams, I appreciate your time.
Always.
Have a great.
Okay. We have,
Yeah. Yes.
Next case is, Manuel Sanchez Oliva. Mr. Oliva, how are you doing? That's good. And state is, Mr. Oliva is represented by his attorney, Jerry Gilthorpe. Hey, Mr. Gilthorpe, how are you doing?
Doing well, very
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Gilthorpe, what's your announcement in Mr. Oliva's case?
good. We're ready on that.
State,
State's ready, Your Honor.
okay, so we'll see y'all back here at.
It's the number one setting. Does the
Yes.
court have its, okay, we have like interpreters involved.
Yeah, we have to interpret.
Respectfully, Judge, the state will request once again that we get to breathe this.
Okay, well, we'll deal with that after, docket. Now, just, if we give out the jury list, obviously you're gonna get it at the same time with the state, okay? All right, so, we'll see you at 1:30.
Yeah.
Martin Gamaz. Ms. Nixon. Court is in session in two cases. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Martin Enrique Gamez Jr. Mr. Gamez, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Gamez?
Doing good. How about yourself?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Ms. Gamez, you're represented by your attorney, John Macy. Ms. Macy, how are you doing? That's good. And Mr. Macy, what is your announcement in Mr. Gamez cases?
We're ready, Judge.
What do you say?
I'm sorry, what?
What's your announcement?
We're ready.
Okay, state.
I'm not ready, Your Honor.
Okay. Do you file a motion continuous or anything?
No.
Appeal, video, okay. We'll just have y'all on standby, I guess. Let me see how this is gonna shake down. Okay,
That's fine. And I
just, we'll have you stand by for 1:30. Okay, all right.
Also, Mr. I think I mentioned, but anyway, I filed a motion to modify his bond conditions. So if we don't go to trial, I'd like a hearing date for that motion.
Okay,
I guess we get that this
yeah,
afternoon.
we'll get
if
it
we
this
don't go to
afternoon.
trial.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, we can do that.
Okay, thanks, Judge.
All right,
So we need to come back at 1:30.
yes. Okay, who else is on here? On the trial docket? What else we got? Where did he? Robot, okay. Is that Joseph?
Yes.
Faglica? Okay. Joseph Glica, that's on the trial docket. That's Miss Nixon's case. That's what it says.
I've been dealing with Mr. Byrne, I'll tell you.
Oh, well, I see Nixon's name on it. Okay, they had to swap up. Okay. Mr. Is it Vaglika?
Belinka, yeah, G-Son.
Valinka. Okay.
Like Sonya Malone.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Valinka, how are you doing?
Great. How about you, Joe?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Now, you're representing your case by your attorney, Jeff Roebuck. And Mr. Roebuck, how are you doing?
Good, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Ms. Roebuck, what's your announcement?
Well, we're ready. I thought we had a plea deal worked out, but it got squashed. So now I'm still
You had a plea deal worked out with who?
with Vernon, with Fred and I had a deal and Andrew.
Okay,
So I think we're still working on it, Judge. So we can reset ours. Yeah.
okay, so y'all still working on it?
Yeah.
Y'all think y'all could get it resolved?
Oops.
And Ms. Nixon, Ms. G,
Not
You-
those two.
okay. Give us a reset date. Yeah, probably leave it on there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. July 13th, 2026. Okay, she'll get you reset to you.
Thanks, Judge.
Stay in contact with your attorney, your advisor. You're free to go.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Ariana Gasaway? She's present, Your Honor. Yeah, she got it. Huh? It was in there? Okay. Yeah, they have a TRN on her.
I'm sorry?
Take this. Yeah. Okay. Ms. Gasaway, your full name is that Ariana T. Gasaway? How are you doing, Ms. Gasaway? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Ms. Gasaway, you're represented in your cases by your attorney, Attorney Mark Faggett. And Mr. Faggett, how are you doing?
I'm good, Your Honor. Thank you for asking.
That's good. Now, Ms. Gasaway, the state is also represented in this case by Attorney Samuel Masradian. Attorney Masradian, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Faggett, what is your announcement in Ms. Gasaway's
Your
case?
Honor, this is the first setting on this case, and I'm going to need some more time. There's some video. I'm going to need to review all the video. I think you appointed me an open file on.
May 5th?
Yes, and I need to get not only every video the law enforcement has, she has some video that I think the prosecutor's going to want to see. So I'm
Okay.
going to need to reset for enough time to get all that done.
Okay, okay, that's July 13th.
Okay.
You know, if we don't have everybody in, we'll be reset it again, but we need to make sure that make sure he get his discovery. Okay, Ms. Gasaway, your case or your cases will be reset to July 13th, 2026. You can get your recess from our court coordinator. Once you get your recess, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day.
Tomorrow, we'll get an appointment for you. We come in either this week or next week. Thank you. Good to see you, my brother.
Okay. Presidential. We haven't had any please. Michael Phillips.
Please, President John.
Mr. Phillips, you can put your hat on the table and your phone. That's right.
He got him on.
He's on the announcement docket, page 5. You want to hold?
Yes.
Okay, just have a seat. We'll call you back up. James Copeland.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's Mr. Maserati. Yeah. Mr. Copeland, your full name is James Trey Copeland.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Copeland?
Doing great.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Copeland, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Willard Hall. Attorney Hall, how are you doing?
Doing great, Your Honor. Thank you.
That's good. Mr. Hall, what is your announcement in Mr. Copeland's case?
In Mr. Copeland's case, Your Honor, about 3 weeks ago, 3.5, 4 weeks ago, we requested pretrial diversion.
Okay.
I have not heard back from Mr. Canal. I called up there last week to check on it. They said he's been extremely busy. This week he's out of town. The problem I have is I'm gonna go out of town during the month of August. So we may need to get it reset until October.
Well, I'm not gonna reset it there. I'm gonna just give you a standard reset to see if he responds. He's on the page 6 of the announcement docket. Yeah, he may or may not get in, so we need to know. We'll know something probably by the next setting.
I'm gonna be out of town though in August.
No, it's gonna be before August.
I know.
It's gonna be July 6th. And by that time, we'll know whether or not he was accepted or rejected. Then after, if he's accepted, then we can reset it. Yes.
I
Okay,
appreciate you.
okay. That's July 16th?
July.
What'd you say, July 6th?
Said July 6th.
Okay, this case is reset to July 6, 2026. Mr. Copeland, you'll get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. And Mr. Hall, you'll get your reset in the mail. And I think this is your only case.
Yes, sir.
You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Mr. Kelly, you have a person on Zoom?
Yes, Judge Member.
Yes, this is cause number 25 CCCR 1752, case is styled the state of Texas versus Emily J. Adams. Ms. Adams is appearing via Zoom. Ms. Adams, you can take your mic off of mute. How are you doing, Ms. Adams?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Ms. Adams. You're represented by your attorney, Attorney Tom Kelly. And Mr. Kelly, how are you doing?
Great, Judge. Thank you very much.
And Mr. Kelly, what is your announcement in Ms. Adams' case?
Still waiting on this companion case, Your Honor.
What companion case?
Is it DWI that's yet to resolve?
Oh,
I suppose it may not be. That's certainly what we're working on.
they,
This
it's
kinda
not the
got
same criminal episode?
all the same.
Okay, so here's an unfiled DWI. Right. He has this is Emily Adams on page 6 of the announcement docket. She's the last person. They're waiting on a DWI to be filed. It's an unfiled DWI. So, okay, so we're gonna give you a reset. Give us a reset.
That's fine, Judge.
Standard, let's see, we're trying to keep track. Okay, this case will be reset to July 13th, 2026. Ms. Adams, stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. They will be given notice of your reset date. You're free to go. And you have a blessed day again, that your court date is July 13th, 2026 at 9 a.m.
Thank you.
And you're welcome. Let's see.
Maybe, excuse me.
That's it? Okay, Mr. Kelly, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
You small, Judge. I'll be with you.
Take care, sir. Come over.
I'll be back in a little bit.
What happened to? Oh, they talking. Okay,
He's on the trial like this.
yes, I know, we have a motion for continuance on that case.
Yes, Judge. The expert is available, but.
Okay. Hold on a minute, let me call.
No objection.
Okay, this is Guillermo Castillo the third.
Oh, wow. Sorry.
He's on Zoom, cause number 23 CCCR 1763. Mr. Castillo, you can take your mic off from, okay, it's off of mute. How are you doing?
I'm doing good, Your Honor. Thank you for asking.
Okay, you're welcome. And you're represented in this case by your attorney, Attorney Jared Gilthorpe. And Mr. Gilthorpe, you filed a motion for continuance in this case, is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
And State, you have any objection?
No objection by the state, Your Honor. My condolences to Mr. Castillo and the death of passing of his father.
Okay. Let me see, yeah, motion, let me see, yeah. Objections. Granted. Okay, Mr. Castillo. The motion for continuance will be granted. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. What's that court date? The court date is gonna be July 13th.
I'm out for that.
Oh, okay. Okay,
Judge, we need to get together, so we need a court, and I think we got somebody out of Austin too. Still, I just want to make sure that we get Jason.
what date you got? Okay,
It'll be 10.
okay. Mr. Castillo, your case will be reset August 10th, 2026, for trial. Your attorney and your bondsman will be given notice of your reset date. You're free to go. And before you go, it's my understanding you may have had debt in your family. You
Yes,
and your
Your
family
Honor.
have my condolences.
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate the court and I do apologize for my absence there.
Okay, no problem. Okay, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
All right, same to you, Your Honor.
All right, you're welcome.
Judge Marshall.
Yes. Pardon me. This is,
That's on this term.
June. Okay. June. 8. Okay, here you go. Here you go. She's gone. Okay. Steve, huh? Oh, in fact, yeah. Stephen Gutierrez.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Judge, we don't want to set him on a plea docket. We've got an offer of a fight only. Need some time. If we get 30 days to plea.
Oh, he's on the announcement docket, page 2, the first case. So we're going to reset this case for a plea. Gutierrez, the first person on page 2 of the announcement docket. Stephen J.L. Gutierrez?
I don't know.
I have him
It's an
on.
announcement, but it's on the pretrial docket.
Oh, yeah, okay, it says announcement, okay. It's on a pretrial docket. Okay.
Plea docket.
Plea, set him for a plea, yes.
That'll be July 5th.
Okay, Mr. Gutierrez. First of all, how are you doing?
Good yourself.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Gutierrez, your case will be reset to July 6, 2026 at 9 a.m. for a plea. So you need to be in court on that day. You're gonna get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you as well.
Okay, thank you. Justin Andrew Taylor,
He's online, Judge.
he is.
He is.
Yes, sir.
Oh, Mr. Taylor, how are you doing?
I'm doing great, Judge. How you doing today?
Okay, to sign pretrial. So,
Well,
did he sign for pretrial?
So Judge, we finally were able to get the application in. The first time we applied, it was rejected because we had to have at least 3 letters of recommendation.
Okay,
So we got those letters and we got them submitted last week. And so if the court wants to set it leave it on pretrial, I think he'll be in. before
okay,
that.
well, we'll just give him a standard reset so we'll know whether or not he's accepted or rejected.
July 5th.
Okay, this case will be reset to July 6, 2026. And Mr. Taylor,
Yes, sir.
on that day, you need to be in court in person. Your case is set for July 6, 2026 at 9 a.m. You're free to go.
Yes, sir.
Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. That's all I have.
Oh, you have another one, Michael Trent.
Oh, yeah, he's in pretrial version.
Okay, so he's
He's already signed.
that's fine. Okay, that's been reset. All right, that's it.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, you're free to go.
Right.
What happened to? Okay.
Sonia,
Mr. Sanye,
What we offered on these.
don't have those right. if we-
Mr. Sanye. Well, this is another one of Farrah's case. How are you doing, Mr.
He's not
Son?
ready.
Mr. Sanye?
Great, Your Honor. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Sonia, you're represented by your attorney, Attorney James Macon, and Mr. Macon, the announcement in Mr. Sonia's case?
Well, we're ready, Your Honor, but if it's gonna be reset,
State's not ready, Judge.
we would ask for 2 months. He takes off work.
Okay.
for the end of the part-time.
Okay, give him a 2 month, we won't put him on the same day.
Yeah.
We're gonna put him on a different day from the previous case. No, this case is only 240 days old.
Okay, it's gonna be August 10th.
Okay, this case is reset to August 10th, 2026.
No.
Okay. Okay, you can get your reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day. Okay. Mr. Makin, you have any other cases?
I have a Dominic White, which may very well be a plea, Your
Okay,
Honor,
we'll hold
but
on.
I have to run next door.
That's
first,
fine.
And then I'll be back.
Okay, that's fine.
In the phone, I know.
That's fine.
I think that's something I want to do. No worries. But I could be wrong. Well, once the firm. $240 fine.
Marcus Andrew Edwards, Marcus Andrew Edwards. I thought I had marked as being here.
It's probably.
Oh, that's the guy that was taken into custody. Okay,
Oh, just.
yes.
Which docket? Let me look.
He's on the announcement docket. This is you just appointed on this case in
Yeah.
in May 5th. He's on page 7. The first case on page 7 of the announcement document.
Everybody still in the case.
Huh? What did you say?
Understand it, so I was just asking.
Okay, Mr.
So,
Sears, how are you doing?
Good morning, Judge. How you doing?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And stated the defense is represented in this case by Attorney Tyler LeBlanc. And Mr. LeBlanc, again, how are you doing?
Good.
Now, Mr. LeBlanc, what is your announcement? This is on the announcement docket in Mr. Sears' case.
Judge, I need a little bit more time if you can.
Okay, yeah, I see you just pointed last month. So give him a standard reset.
5:13.
Now, have you received your discovery?
I think it's on the, I'll have to look when I get.
Okay, what
I don't
about,
know, I will make sure that is,
okay, what about an offer? You received an offer or anything?
No, Judge, I've been dealing with that next door. I mean, I'm sure that.
Okay.
Now we'll work it out next time.
Okay, so Mr. Sears,
Yes, sir.
you'll get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go.
Yes, sir.
And you have a blessed day.
Yeah, bless them. Thank you.
Okay. And Mr. LeBlanc, you're free to go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
No.
Oh, so, yeah, hold on a minute. Let me get this gentleman I saw on Zoom. Okay, Nelson Marr. Mr. Marr, would you please come forward?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Macias. How
Yes,
are you
sir.
doing?
Good, how are you, Judge?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. This is on page 7 of the announcement docket, the last one. And who's the prosecutor? That's Sam.
His name was Nelson Moore, Your Honor?
Yeah, Nelson Marr, M-A-R.
M-A-R, look for more.
Okay, Mr. Marr, how are you doing? You doing okay? Fine, okay. And Mr. Marr, you representing your case by your attorney Alejandro Macias. And Attorney Macias, how are you doing?
Good, Judge, how are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Macias, what's your announcement in Mr. Marr's case?
Your Honor, we've applied for pretrial diversion, but we just haven't had an answer as to whether he's going to be accepted or not. So I'm in the holding pattern until I get the yay or nay on that, Your Honor.
Yeah, okay. Because I see that y'all applied back in February and it says the application was pending April 13th, 2026. That's what the note says. This Mr. Marr, page 7, the last case on the announcement docket. Notice, right? No, I did. Okay. So yeah, I still haven't received a response. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor. Either way, whether he's accepted or not, I have not received a response. And if I fail to do something to speed that along, I'd be glad to do whatever needs to be done.
I guess you probably just need to call the DA's office again.
Okay.
Talk to Mr. Connaught. Well, he's not in this week, but you just need to contact him.
Yes, Your Honor.
Or you can talk with his secretary. She may be able to tell you whether or not he was approved or rejected.
I'll check with her. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Give us
July 6th.
that's fine. This case will be reset to July 6, 2026. Mr. Marr, you get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. You have a blessed day. And Attorney Macias, your
Yes, Your Honor.
reset will be sent to you in the mail. You're free to go and you have a blessed day. Mr.
Thank
Marr,
you
you
as
get
well,
the reset.
Judge.
Once you get the reset, you're free to go and y'all have a blessed day.
You
Thank
know, I approach on Michael Phillips.
That's the case we had on hold. Okay, court is in session in 2 cases, both cases, South State of Texas versus Michael E. Phillips. Mr. Phillips, is that your full name?
Yes.
How are you doing, Mr. Phillips?
Good, Judge.
You doing pretty good? That's good. Now, Mr. Phillips, you're represented in your cases by your attorney, Attorney Mark Faggett. Mr. Faggett, what's your announcements in Mr. Phillips' cases?
Your Honor, we are talking about the cases. I just got a point. He just picked up another case. And I'm gonna ask for a reset so she can discuss it. But the big thing is his mother's with him and she is elderly and she's not doing well. So I need to get a reset as soon as we can so they can leave. Is that right?
Okay, so I see that you was pointing on a new case last month, May 19th.
Right.
Okay, give us a standard reset. It's on the announcement docket, page 5, first two cases. July what?
13.
Okay, these cases will be reset to July 13th, 2026. Mr. Phillips, you get your reset from our court coordinator.
Yes, sir.
Once you get your recess, you're free to go.
Yes, sir.
And you have a blessed day. And I think you said you had your mother here with you. She wasn't feeling well. Ma'am, we will be praying that you have a speedy recovery. Have a blessed day. All right, you get your recess. You're free to go. You have a blessed day. Now, Mr. Yeah, no, we still have another case. Mr. Fagger, you have Michael Smith, Miracle Smith.
He's present. We just got off of the state on that.
Go back there.
And we'd like a reset for a plea for 30 days.
Okay, we're gonna reset this on
Nelson Moore.
Miss Miracle. Please come forward. Okay, now, Ms. Schmidt, how are you doing? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. This is Miracle Smith. She's on the same page, page 5 of the announcement docket.
Okay.
We need a reset for a plea.
July 13th.
Okay, Ms. Smith, your case will be reset to July 13th, 2026. You'll get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go. Again, your case is reset for a plea on that day. All right, you have a blessed day. And Mr. Faggot,
That is Astrid Jones.
okay, hold on a minute. Say Jones. Astrid C. Jones, R. Jones?
Yes, sir.
It says a C right here. Okay,
We're supposed to answer the later from.
okay. Miss Jones, how are you doing?
I'm great, and you, sir?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Ms. Jones, you represented by your attorney Mark Fagger. Ms. Fagger, what's your announcement in Ms. Jones' case?
To ask for reset. I know this case is older, but this is also a companion case involving the same officer that is involved in Ms. Gasaway's case. And I was provided some videos today that sorry?
Oh, he was looking like.
Yeah, I was just listening. I'm just trying.
So I'm gonna ask for one more reset so I can furnish the state with the videos that were taken by one of the other witnesses. I think they're gonna want to see them.
Okay, fair enough.
Thank you.
Okay, when is you say it's the same Gasaway?
Yes, it's the same.
Oh, it's the
All
same
versions
offense
of
date.
Gasaway.
It's the same offense date.
Yeah.
Okay.
It all arose off the same. If you can give us what, a standard reset?
Yeah, it's gonna be
Yeah.
July 13th.
Be great.
And then I can,
Okay, Ms. Jones, your case will be reset to July 13th at 9 a.m. You'll get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. You have a blessed day.
You do it.
his name.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I think
You're
that's
welcome.
all I have.
Okay, you're free to go. You have a blessed day. Terry Booker. Oh, I don't see. Oh, he's in custody. Did you talk to him?
No, I haven't talked to him. Yeah.
Set with pending felony. Do we know? So his felony may be set today.
Yes, felony incident.
So we need to find out what's going on with the felony.
Oh.
We probably need to, what court is he in?
What for?
No, I'm asking her. She can find out. The felony y'all applied, but then y'all don't have a response?
Yes.
And we got a couple of them like that today. Wow. Yeah, yeah, we need to, yeah, it's about the third or fourth one today. Okay. So, Mr.
Estrogen.
Stanley, yeah, how are you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing fine.
By the way.
Oh, well, that's fine. You have your work clothes on? Okay, it's good. It's good to be working. Now, Mr. Stanley, you're represented by your attorney, Mark Provo. Ms. Provo, what's your announcement in Mr. Stanley's case?
Yes, Your Honor, we would like to have additional time to get information or to get a response.
From the
Leave these out as the pre-trial.
This is on page 5 of the pretrial conference docket, the last case. Okay, Mr. Stanley, your case is going to be reset to give your attorney an opportunity to get a response from the district attorney's office regarding whether or not you was accepted or rejected in the BIP program. Give us a reset date.
13. Or July 6th.
Oh, hold on.
No, this one.
This is a DWI. Why are you applying for BIP?
It was.
No, pretrial diversion.
It's just pre.
Oh, they got BIP on here.
Oh, no, it's pre-trial. Yeah, I'm gonna change that in.
Yeah, I was like, okay, so it's pretrial diversion. Okay, give us a reset date. What's that date? Okay, this case will be reset to July 6, 2026. Mr. Stanley, you get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go.
Yes, sir.
And you have a blessed day. All right, and this is your last case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Provo? Yes, Ms. Barrazo,
Yes, sir.
Devontae Wayne Jackson. This is Ms. Nixon's case. Mr. Jackson, your full name is Devontae Wayne Jackson. How are you doing, Mr. Jackson? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Jackson, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Laura Barrazo. Ms. Barrazo, how are you doing?
Doing well, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome. Ms. Barrazo, what's your announcement in Mr. Jackson's case?
Your Honor, we have requested pre-trial diversion, so I'm just waiting on a response.
Oh, another one? Okay. Okay. Give us some.
July 6th.
Okay, this case will be reset to July 6th. And we'll reset your case to July 6th at 9 a.m. At that time, hopefully you'll have a response from the district attorney's office whether or not you have been accepted or rejected in the pre-trial diversion program, for the pre-trial diversion program. Okay, now, Mr. Jackson, you can get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day. All right, Ms. Barrazo, you have any other cases?
It's Terranisha Holmes. Neil, sorry. That was it.
Oh, okay, Terranisha O'Neill.
Yes.
This is Farrah Nixon's case. What? Hold on a minute. Ms. Nixon. Okay, hi. Okay, this is Terranisha O'Neill. I'm just looking at your shirt. It says mentally ill but totally chill.
I don't really have it. I came all the way out to something.
Okay. Okay, you probably could have turned it inside out or something. I mean, it would have been a little bit more appropriate. Yes, he said, it gives a little, okay. Okay, but I mean, you're not currently mentally ill, are you? I mean, if there's some, if we can, I mean, okay,
Your Honor, I
Uh,
think it's just a.
you're just wearing the shirt. Okay, you're wearing it for fun.
It's.
Okay. Okay, you gotta be aware.
I
I mean,
apologize. I
yeah.
did see that.
I understand, but you understand. Yeah, I understand, but I'm saying you can still turn it inside out. You know what I mean by inside out? Wearing it on the wrong side. You know,
Like where to turn it outside.
where the message, that message would not be seen is what I'm saying.
She won't wear anything like that.
Okay.
Your Honor.
Okay,
This
just, you
will
know,
be the last time.
just raise some antennas, you know, I need to understand whether or not that's an accurate statement or not. If it is, then we would have to go to another step. Okay. All right, but that's all right. Now, how are you doing otherwise? You doing okay? Well, that's good. Now, you're representing your case by your attorney Laura Perazo. And Ms. Perazo, let's see, I see that you were appointed on this case back in November 25
Yes, sir.
of 2025. And have you received discovery in this case? Have you been given an offer?
So I believe that we have been given an offer. However, I believe at our last hearing, I had requested that the case be placed on the trial docket. However, we're not ready to proceed to trial today because there is an investigation that I need to make, and it should just require a short reset.
And state, so defense is announcing not ready? State, not ready? Okay, not ready. Okay, so we're gonna reset this case. This is Miss Terranisha O'Neill on page 5 of the trial document. Yes. Okay,
That'd be July 13th.
July 13th. Is that a good date? Ms. Peraza?
Let me.
Okay.
Devontae Jackson.
So I do have a trial setting in CDC on that day. However, I'm not sure if it would actually go. And if it did, it would probably be that afternoon. So I guess it's just, we could go ahead and put it on that day, but I don't.
Okay, what about the next, let me say, that next week is the what? Do we have
July 20th.
do we have any settings on that day? We don't have, what, that number one setting is not on that day, right? I think it was in August the 3rd.
Got some on these other days too.
How's your schedule the next week, Ms. Peraza?
So I'm starting a final hearing in the 88 on the 20th.
So we might have to keep it on the 13th.
That's one, that's no.
Yeah, but she's starting the final hearing
And that's at Hardin County.
in Hardin County District Court. Okay, keep it on the 13th.
Okay.
Is that the 13th?
Yes.
Yeah, Ms. Peraza?
Yes, sir. That's the day that I do have the trial setting in the CDC, but I'm not sure what's going to happen. I don't know if it's actually going to go to trial.
13, 20, 27. What's the 27th? How you look on the 27th?
I'm up there.
Okay, 27. Okay. We'll reset it for July 27th, 2026. Miss Odell, you get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day. And you, this your only case?
Yes, sir.
You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you. You too.
Oh, she has to get her, She had left something over there. I thought. Yes.
So the clients don't need.
Uh,
I'll be getting the, I'll be, okay, I'll tell them later. I'm not passing. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, thank you. It's only that, you can just come right now. That's all.
oh, let's see this here. Okay, okay. Jacorin Duhan? That person didn't answer. Jacorin Duhan? That person didn't answer. Same offer. Oh, he has a felony. Well,
Yeah.
maybe a felony court.
Actually, I think he was involved.
Where's it at? What that is?
Page 3 of the
Here on
announcement document, the first case.
June first, it doesn't appear that he appeared at felony court on his court date. And I didn't see.
Is there a warrant?
Let me look and see.
Okay, we'll check to see if there's a warrant. Just wondering if they reset it.
They might be resetting that.
I didn't see a reset date when I checked.
It was still on today's day.
It's still a day? Here's a drug case here. There you go.
Stephanie.
Yeah.
Warrant, okay.
But they get up here June 2nd.
Okay, so we're gonna have, okay. Let's do this here. Jacorin Mikhail warrant in cause number 25 CCCR scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. At about 9 a.m., the court's bailiff called the name of Jacorin Warren at the courthouse door. Jacorin Warren did not answer. He has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 10:30 a.m. on today's date of June 8, 2025, excuse me, 2026. Ms. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Jacorin Duhan at the courthouse door? Jacorin Duhan's name was just called again at the courthouse door. Jacorin Duhan did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Duhan an opportunity to appear in court. He is not appearing in court. State, do you have a motion?
Yes, state's move for bond forfeiture warrant to issue.
That motion will be granted. Jacorin Duhan's bond will be forfeited and the warrant shall be issued for his arrest in cause number 25 CCCR 2968. Next case is Stephanie Old. Stephanie Old. Yes. Miss Old, your full name is Stephanie, was that Deanne Old? How are you doing?
Good.
That's good. You're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Giles Cole. Mr. Cole, what is your announcement in Miss Old's case?
We received an offer today. I talked to counsel here, so I think that we can get this resolved in 30 days.
Next setting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll reset it on a plea docket. Give us a reset. Okay, this case will be reset to July 13th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Ms. Old, you'll get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go.
No, thank you.
And you have a blessed day.
You too.
All right. And Mr. Cole, is that your last case?
No, Your Honor, I'm sitting in there for Attorney Gerardo.
Oh,
See that probably back.
I saw his name.
Antonio Flores.
Who are they?
This is the.
What, do you speak Spanish?
Yes, this is translating. I did his son.
What page is this on?
Hold on, I'm trying to find it. ABC. It said it's,
It was
What page is it? Is it on? Who's the attorney? Now, what's his name?
Antonio Flores.
Flores.
This is Mr. Flores right here.
Okay, okay, let me see
And
if
the
I can.
attorney is Gerardo.
Okay. Flores, it says his name is
24 CCCR 2230.
Gerardo.
2230, 25 CCR 2230.
They say, wait, what was the number?
Yeah, it's he's on page 8. Pereira is his attorney, Geraldo Pereira.
My bad.
Yeah, I was looking for it.
That's good.
What page you on?
He's on page 8
Which-
of the announcement docket. Okay, so this is cause is signed to sign pretrial diversion.
Yes,
Did he sign it?
he,
It says
Right.
his name is Flores.
yes.
The
He has
last person on the, yeah. Hold on, she's checking to see if he signed it.
We haven't got his name on it yet.
They said he was supposed to sign it back in the sign per attorney back in March 30. You have that other sheet?
No.
Okay. Defendant is not in jail, keep on docket. Apparently, he probably didn't sign he didn't sign up.
He said he submitted it.
No, I'm saying maybe he wasn't accepted.
Yeah.
Ask his could you ask him if he signed up for pretrial diversion in the district attorney's office?
He didn't sign anything. He just
Okay.
signed in.
Okay, so he's not signed up. Okay. So now you're standing in for Attorney Pereira, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Ask Mr. Flores, Antonio Flores, if Mr. Cole can stand in for his attorney, Mr. Pereira. Yes? Okay. So what's the announcement, Mr. Cole?
We'd like to wait to get a response from pretrial diversion to get him signed up.
Okay, so it's another pretrial.
Yes, it is.
Okay. Okay. When she comes back in, we're gonna give you a reset date. Okay. Then stand in front of the well, here she comes. Yeah, standard reset. That's fine. Let him know his case is gonna be reset to July 13th, 2026 at 9 AM. This is Antonio Flores on page 8. And he can get his reset from our coordinator. Once he gets his reset, he's free to go, and tell him to have a blessed day. Okay, okay.
Thank you, Don. Excuse you.
Yes, you may. Alexandria DeLeon.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, Mr. Nix.
Your Honor, we were just reset 30 days on the felony next door. That's out of the same circumstance. So we would just ask that the reset follow the felony.
Do you have the date?
That just
the actual-
30 days.
Okay, what we'll have to do,
It's in Judge West Court.
okay. When she get a chance, she'll check to see if they have a court date.
Perfect.
If they have a court date, we're gonna place you on the same court date.
Yes, sir.
If not, then she'll check sometime. She'll continue to check, and once we get a date, we'll send it to you.
Perfect.
Okay? Let's see if she. All right, he's free to go. Okay, could you check to see if Alexandria DeLeon has a felony court? I have the felony case number if you need it. 26 DCCR 0143.
They have to plead.
Haven't put it in, okay, so Mr. Nix, your case is gonna be reset with the felony. Just, you're free to go. Well, once they put a court date in, we'll send the notice to you
Yes, sir.
and you can tell her.
We will, Judge.
All right, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Stay in
Thank you,
contact
Judge.
with your attorney and your bouncer. All right,
May I be excused?
yes, you may.
Thank you.
Good to see you, son.
Paget, Pereira. Let's see. Oh, Ms. DeLage,
Yes, Your Honor.
you have,
Have two.
is that Gilbert Dion Ross?
For Ross.
Gilbert.
Right here.
Mr. Ross, your full name is Calbert Dion Ross. How you doing, Mr. Ross? I'm doing fine, thanks. Mr. Ross, you're represented by your attorney Jennifer DeLage. Ms. DeLage, how are you doing?
I'm doing great, Judge. How about you?
I'm doing fine, thanks. And Ms. DeLage, I see that you were appointed last month, May 5th. Have you received your discovery?
Absolutely. Yes, sir.
And what about an offer?
We have, and we've actually accepted a plea this morning. We've done the paperwork.
Oh, I don't have it ready yet. Okay.
Oh,
Just have a seat.
Perfect.
Once we get the paperwork, we'll bring you back up.
you were, I was like, what's questioning?
Yeah, I was wondering, I didn't see it on here on the tablet.
But I do have Miss Reyes. That's just an announcement. Pre-trial outfit, I believe.
Javinci Reyes? Okay. Cash bond to apply for retrial.
Okay.
This is another one, huh?
And we have applied and we do not have an answer.
Da Vinci, Reyes on page 1 of the pretrial conference documents.
Yes, Your Honor.
Wow. It's a bunch of them today.
Mhm.
Yeah, I should like the whole. Double digits. Okay. Miss Reyes, again, how are you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking, Ms. Reyes. You're represented by your attorney, Jennifer DeLage, and Ms. DeLage. What is your announcement in Ms. Reyes?
Your Honor, we have applied for the pretrial diversion program, but we do not have a response yet back from the DA's office.
Okay. Give us, is that gonna be that July 13th day? July 6th?
I don't
Okay.
know that there will be another signing prior.
No. We
Well, we
wanna
just
see if
check,
they
yeah,
were, we
got it.
checking to see if they were accepted or rejected.
Got you. I understand.
So we'll reset it to July 6th, 2026. Ms. Reyes,
I will be on vacation that day.
oh, what's
I
the
do
next
have a
week?
vacation letter on file.
Oh, okay.
Luckily, just remember that off the top of my head. I'm sorry, ma'am.
You don't have it? No, when is your vacation? And can you email?
Yes, I'll email.
What's your day?
That's the whole week, that whole week. So
Okay,
the
so
following
following
week would be
week?
good, yes.
Okay.
13th?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this case will be reset July 13th, 2026. Ms. Reyes, you get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Okay.
And I'll wait for the other, you don't have it yet.
I got a Raymond, right? Let's see it. Okay. Is that Hampton? Or Sheehaw? I don't know how to pronounce that. Good morning. How does he pronounce his name?
You say it right.
I did?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Let's see what docket. Let's see. Maybe it's a class C.
Friends.
Gosh. Seriously. Devil's County Code Law number 2 is in session. Court is in session in cause number 26 CCCR 1182. Case of style State of Texas versus Hampton the Bremedi Hen Basiha. Is that your full name?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine. Thanks again for asking.
Oh, you're welcome. Would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? You may put your hand up. Now, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Todd Takash. Attorney Takash is not here. However, standing in for attorney Takash is attorney Alexandria Libertorian. And attorney Libertorian, how are you doing?
I'm good, Your Honor.
Okay, now, does Ms. Libertorian have your permission to stand in for attorney Takash? Yes, okay. Now, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled complaint. This complaint was filed by the city of Beaumont in Jefferson County, Texas. And this complaint alleges that on or about February 18 of 2026, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class C misdemeanor offense of improper backing. Mr. Fasiha, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes.
And to this charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? No contest. Now, are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges?
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges? That's what no contest means.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, Mr. Fasiha, I also have before me on my computer tablet a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. This document is also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document? Let me do this here. Go to the second page. Instead of initials FH on the line next to the box is checked. No contest or no contention. Did you place your initials on this
Yes, Your
document?
Honor.
On page 3 of the same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, Your Honor.
On the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, do you recognize this document?
Yes, Your Honor.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled
Yes, Your
Defendant? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box is checked, states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement? The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement? The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up the right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Do we have a discovery certification? I also have a document on paper that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, Your
Is
Honor.
this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, Mr. Fasiha, before you sign and initial these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes.
Did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Fasiha, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes.
Okay.
State tenders to this honorable court, State's Exhibit 1.
Any objections to State's Exhibit Number 1?
No objection.
No objections. State's Exhibit Number 1 will be admitted. And Attorney Libertarian, you've advised and counseled Mr. Fasiha, is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
And Mr. Fasiha, Attorney Libertarian has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with her representation?
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with your attorney representation? And are you satisfied with your representation of Attorney Takash?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, Mr. Fasiha, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yeah, we do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
It'll be $50 fine plus court costs. Is that correct?
Yes.
What's the court cost? Okay. Mr. Fasiha, the state is offering that you pay a fine of $50 plus court costs of $277. Is that the total amount? Make sure the total amount is $327. Sometimes when you do the judgment,
When you add the fine.
I know, but I'm saying when you do the final judgment, sometimes it comes out with a different amount. I just want to make sure that's.
There's one thing.
Okay. Now, Mr. Fasiha, the total amount of your fine plus court cost. The fine is $50 plus court cost of $277, which comes to a balance of $327. Will you be able to pay the $327 today?
What kind of payment will be, I know? What kind of payment? I mean, what mode of payment do you have?
You just talking about the mode of payment?
Yes.
Oh, they can pay by credit card, by cash. Yeah,
Okay.
okay. Now, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes,
And do you accept the state's offer?
yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I'll follow the people who are in agreement that you have entered into with the state. You're gonna stand in front or stand next to the bailiff. And she will, once you finish following her directions, you'll go downstairs to the county clerk's office, make the payment, then bring the receipt back up to this court and you give it to our court coordinator. Okay? All right. You stand over there next to the bailiff.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you're welcome. And you have a blessed day, and you have a blessed day as well.
You too, thank you.
You're welcome. Raymond Grant, who's represent Mr. Grant?
That's Mrs. Hawkins.
Ms. who, Cawthon?
You're right.
Oh,
That's your Mrs.
oh, just happens, we'll wait for your attorney to come back.
Yes. Yes,
Okay, Calvert Ross. Okay. Mr. Bonds. Okay, this is cause number 26CC 0672. Case is Tyler, State of Texas versus Calvert Dion Ross. Ms. Ross, that's your full name?
Yes.
Ms. Ross, would you please raise your right hand? Swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. Ms. Ross, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Ross?
You doing good?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Ms. Ross, you're represented by your attorney, Attorney Jennifer DeLage, and Attorney DeLage. Do you waive a record in Mr. Ross' case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Ross, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Calvert Dion Ross, on about December 25th of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed to Class 8 misdemeanor offense of resisting arrest, search, or transportation. Mr. Ross, do you understand what you have been charged?
Yes, sir.
To this charge, Mr. Ross, how do you plead guilty, not guilty, no contest?
No comment.
Are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges?
Yes.
Ms. Ross, I also have before me on my computer tablet a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment, also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 of this same document, there's a set of initials, KR, on the line next to a box that's checked no contingent or no contest. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 3 of the same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
And on the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? At the top of this document, there are two boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement? The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement? I also have a document on paper that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line inside of defendant? Mr. Ross, before you signed and initialed all of the documents that I'm showing, did your attorney go over these documents with you? And did you understand everything in these documents? And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Mr. Ross, are you a citizen of the United States?
State Officer States Exhibit 1, Your Honor.
No objection. States Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Lays, you've advised and counseled Mr. Ross. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
And Mr. Ross, your attorney, Mr. Lage, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with her representation?
Yes.
Mr. Ross, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
It'd be 1 year deferred adjudication probation, the $100 fine, and 40 hours community service.
Okay, and Mr. Lage, were you appointed in this case?
Was, Your Honor.
And what's the court cost? Is it 362?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, because Sam affairs.
Okay, Mr. Ross, the state is offering that you serve 1 year deferred adjudicated probation. During the 1 year probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $100 plus court costs, $362. You'll also be required to pay a probation fee of $60 a month, your announcement fee of $15 a month, reimbursement fee of $15, and you'll be required to reimburse Jefferson County Court appointed attorney's fees of $350. Then the total monthly installments, that is the total amount that you will be required to pay each month, is $157 a month. Will you be able to pay the $157 a month? Okay, we have an affidavit on it. Okay, Mr. Ross, I'm handing your attorney a document that is titled Affidavit of Indigence. Could you please review that document?
Okay. He's got a little bit more expenses now and.
Okay, he can make those corrections.
So, transportation.
What time is it supposed to be?
This is 240 times 4.
24 times 4 is less than 100.
240.
I went to law school because I'm not good at math, 960.
Okay, so that's your expensive version.
But my calculator beat.
And so you're taking it. What is it?
It is Brian will turn, but he has a field. We'll turn, the rules on the same side.
Like someone's interested like that.
Okay, Mr. Ross, I have before me a document that's titled Judge County Affidavit of Indigence. You recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in this document true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Ross, the court is gonna find that you're indigent. And based on the finding of indigency, pursuant to Article 42.15 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, the fine of $100 plus court costs of $362, which comes to a total of $462, will be converted to 37 hours of community service. The attorney's fees of $350 will be waived pursuant to Article 26.05 G-11 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. The reimbursement fee of $15 will be waived pursuant to Article 102.018 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. The probation fee in this case will be reduced to the statutory minimum of $25 a month. You will be required to pay your analysis fee of $15. Your total monthly installments is $44 a month. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Now, you will also be required to perform 40 hours of community service in addition to the 37 hours of community service that was converted from the fine and court costs. So it will come to a total of 77 hours of community service. Do you understand that?
Sure.
And let's see, so you will also be required to adhere to all the other standard terms and conditions of this probation. Ms. Ross, do you understand the state's offer and the findings that the court have made in this case? And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll follow the plea bargaining agreement that you have entered into with the state. Mr. Ross, if you successfully complete this probationary period, this case will be dismissed. It will not result in a conviction on your record, and you may qualify for non-disclosure. You could talk to your attorney about the non-disclosure because she's quite competent in those matters. Now, Mr. Ross, you're gonna have a seat because we have to redo your paperwork. And once your paperwork is complete, you'll follow the directions of the bailiff. And once you finish following the directions of the bailiff, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Lage, is this your last
That's my
case?
last case, Judge.
You're free to go as well and you have a blessed day.
You're on.
Okay. Okay, who else do we have? Mr. Mason?
Corey, we're also on the announcement now.
Okay, Ja'Cory Reynolds? Okay. Announcement docket, page 7. Mr. Reynolds, how are you doing? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Reynolds, are you representing your case by your attorney, John Macy? And Mr. Macy, what is your announcement in Mr. Reynolds' case?
Your Honor, we received an offer this morning. My client says that he not guilty, so we need to put it on trial document.
You want to reset it for trial?
Yes,
Okay,
Mhm.
give us a reset date. Okay, this case is reset July 13th. You can get your reset for trial July 13th, 2026. Once you get your reset from our court coordinator, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Raphael Tillman.
Reynolds.
Mr. Tillman, you represented in your case by Attorney Tom Burbank, is that correct? Attorney Burbank is currently in trial in another county. So your cases are going to be reset. Okay, you're gonna get your resets from our court coordinator. Once you get your resets, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Mr. Grant, your full name is Raymond E. Grant. Mr. Grant, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Grant, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Grant?
I got to.
Okay, I see you holding your jaw. We can see if we can get you out of here. Mr. Grant, you're represented by your attorney, Attorney Christy Carlton. Ms. Carlton, how are you doing?
Doing well, Your Honor.
And Ms. Carlton, do you waive a record in Mr. Grant's case?
I do, Your Honor.
Mr. Grant, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, Mr. Grant, it alleges that you, Raymond E. Grant, on or about May 21st of 2024, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense, resisting arrest, search, or transportation. Mr. Grant, do you understand what you've been charged with? And now your full name is Raymond Earl Grant Jr., is that correct? Right. Now, Mr. Grant, I also have before me on my tablet a document that is titled information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges, well, excuse me, in this misdemeanor plea admonishment, that was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. Do you recognize this document? On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature, or excuse me, set of initials R or G on the line next to the box that's checked, no contingent, which means no contest. On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Is this your signature? And on the next document that's titled trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal, do you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box is checked, states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement? Second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement? I also have another document on paper that is titled Discovery Certification. And do you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line as titled defendant? Mr. Grant, before you signed and issue these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you? Did you understand everything that your attorney went over? Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
Mr. Grant, are you a citizen of the United States? State, you like to offer State's Exhibit number 1?
So tender, John.
Any objections?
No objections.
No objections. State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. And Ms. Carlton, you've advised and counseled Mr. Grant. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Grant, your attorney, Ms. Carlton, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with her representation? Has she provided full, effective, and competent legal representation? Mr. Grant, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what's the agreement?
The essential terms are as follows. It would be 120 days in the Jefferson County Jail, probated for a 12-month period of time, a $300 fine and 6 hours community service. Is that correct, Ms. Carter?
It is correct.
What's the court cost? You said 277.
In consideration of that plea, Your Honor, the state will dispose of the remaining matter pursuant to 1245 of the Texas Penal Code. Is that also correct?
That is correct.
Okay, this is, well, Mr. Grant, the state is offering that you serve 120 days in Jefferson County Jail. However, you will not be required to serve any time in Jefferson County Jail in this case because you'll be placed on probation for a period of 1 year. During the 1 year probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $300 plus court costs of $277. You'll be required to pay a probation fee of $60 a month, your analysis fee of $15 a month, reimbursement fee of $15. You will also be required to pay reimburse Jefferson County court-appointed attorney's fees of $350. Your total monthly installments, that is the total amount that you will be required to pay each month while you are on probation, is, hold on, let me back up. What's the court cost in this case? Is it $425?
Oh, quarter point, yes.
Quarter point, okay, I have to read that. I saw that other cause number. Okay, no, I saw that other cause number. And realized that. Okay. Now, Mr. Grant, the attorney's fees in this case is $425 that you'll be required to reimburse Jefferson County. The total amount of your fees that you are paid each month while you're on probation is $174 a month. Are you able to pay the $174 each month? Okay. You'll also be required to perform 60 hours of community service and cost number 26 CCCR 1156 will be disposed through the 1245 Texas Penal Code. No, no. Like your payments usually within 30 days, but your probation officer will tell you when you can make your first payment. All right. Now, do you understand the state's offer? And do you accept the state's offer? Okay. Mr. Grant, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Mr. Grant, you can follow the directions of the bailiff. Once you finish following the directions of the bailiff, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day. We be praying that you get that toothache taken care of.
Those are just horrible. Those are horrible.
Oh, yeah. Mr. White, your full name is Marcus Maurice White?
Right.
Right? How you doing, Mr. Wright?
Doing right.
That's good. Mr. Wright, you're represented in your case by your attorney Christy Carlton. And Ms. Carlton, what is your announcement in Mr. Wright's case?
Your Honor, I have offers from the state for both of his cases, but I have found out right now he does not have an attorney on his unlawful carrying of a weapon charge, which is cause number.
This is the same case? Or is it in this court?
It's in this court.
Well, you appointed on it.
I'm not appointed. He doesn't have anyone appointed. I'm representing him on the failure to ID.
Well,
So
if you appointed you on one, you appointed on all. Is she appointed on this second case?
Let me make sure.
So I don't have discovery yet.
You say he has another case. This is Mr. Wright, Marcus. Maurice Wright. This is on the announcement docket, page 2. It wasn't on the docket for some reason. Yeah, this is says, and this is an old case. Hold on. This case was filed in 2020. It's a 2019 case. When did he get arrested? Oh, shoot, he wasn't arrested until 26.
Right. See, that's the problem. But when we see like
6
the
years.
age, 20, like 2,300 days, that's just
That's-
disingenuous.
That's what OCA, that's how they,
But that's not.
I know.
This, we can't be held to that.
well, I am. That's the court, that's what the OCA, they go on that day for when it's filed and the clock start ticking,
Yes, Your Honor.
whether they get arrested or not.
Mhm.
No, I was talking about this case is so old. They filed it in 2020 and he was arrested 6 years later.
Get rid of
It's filed 6 years later. Well, okay.
His
What-
application is on the last page.
It's on the last page of the docket,
No. Yeah, it's on the last page.
so she needs to be appointed on that. Okay, so you have a new case. Oh, this case was just filed. It's 35 days old, a new case. Unlawfully carrying it's an unlawfully carrying a weapon.
Yes, Your Honor.
You
That's what I'm
see.
needing discovery on is that unlawful carrying of a weapon.
Okay.
But I have an offer from the state for both cases.
Oh, you did?
Yes, Your
You
Honor.
just don't have discovery on the new case.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Give us a reset.
July 14th.
Okay, this case, well, these cases will be reset to July 13th, 2026. Mr. Wright, you'll get your resets. My coordinator, once you get your resets, you're free to, and you have a blessed day. All right. Let's see, what's called, and you also had,
Aubrey Grace Kennedy, it's on the pretrial docket.
we just did Grant. Right? Grant just got, contest, Grant just got 20. Wait up.
Yeah, grant on two different.
Dockets.
Yeah,
Okay, this is the one that got the 12, 40.
correct.
Oh, I was looking at this.
Discovery is available.
Thank you.
Able counsel for you.
Thank you.
Well,
I'll ask for the tape request. I'll do that for you.
Yes. Dismissed.
On Raymond Grant, he was on trial, yeah.
Yeah, he's on 2 different dockets, 12,
right.
Okay.
12, 4,
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
5, TPC. Okay, Carlton. Okay. Oh. Missed it. Oh. Things get ready to go out. Brother, did you go over there and unplug it and plug it back? Let me try it again. That's not, yeah, there it go. It just, okay. These computers.
Yes.
Okay, Aubrey Grace Kennedy. Pre-trial diversion again. You applied for, how you doing, Miss Kennedy? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Ms. Kennedy, you representing case by your attorney, Attorney Christy Carlton, and Ms. Carlton. I see here that you was to apply for pre-trial diversion.
Yes, Your Honor, she's been accepted.
Oh, she has?
In August is when she's doing her, signing her paperwork for pretrial.
Okay, so we can reset this case the second week in August since she's been accepted. Well, she has to sign it or sign. Give us a reset. You say August, August 10th? Okay. This case will be reset to August 10th, 2026. And Ms. Kennedy, you get your reset from our court coordinator. Now, on the 10th, if you have already signed up for pretrial diversion, you would not have to come to court. Okay? Okay, make sure you sign up. All right.
Either the sixth, right?
Yes.
All right, you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I-
Yes, you may be excused.
That was nice.
Mr. Macon. Is that Dominique White? Do we have his paper? Yeah, we have his paperwork. Mr. White? Come forward. So pre-trial.
Good morning. Good morning.
This is cause number 25 CCCR 0112. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Dominic N. White. Mr. White, is that your full name? Mr. White, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Mr. White, you may put your hand out. How are you doing, Mr. White, again?
Doing fine. And yourself, John?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking, Mr. White. You're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney James Macon. And Mr. Macon, do you waive a record in Mr. White's case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. White, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Dominic N. White, on or about November 1st of 2024, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of assault causing bodily injury to a family member. Mr. White, do you understand what you have been charged with? To this charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? Now, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty? Are you pleading guilty because you're guilty? Okay, Mr. White, I also have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments. Do you recognize this document? On page 2 of the same document, there are 2 sets of initials. One set is your attorney's initials. The other set are your initials, DW. Did you place your initials on this document? And on page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
And on the next document that's titled trial court certification, do you recognize this document? And is this your signature? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement? Second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement? I also have another document on paper that is titled Discovery Certification. You recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. Well, do you recognize all of these documents? And all of these documents, before you sign them, did your attorney go over these documents with you? And did you understand everything that your attorney went over? Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? State. You like to offer state's exhibit number 1?
So tender, John.
Any objections? No objections. State's exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Macon, you've advised and counseled Mr. White. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
And Mr. White, your attorney, Mr. Macon, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation? Mr. White, I will accept your plea of no, excuse me, your plea of guilty, I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do.
And what is that agreement?
The essential terms are as follows. It would be 12 months deferred adjudication, a $240 fine, $36 community service, anger management, and no contact with Ms. Crystal Colazo. Is that correct, Mr. May?
Yes, Your Honor.
What's the court cause? Okay. Mr. White, state is offering that you serve 1 year deferred adjudicated probation during the 1 year probationary period. You'll be required to pay, oh, I forgot to put, hold on a minute, $100 fee in there. It's supposed to be 15. Okay, Mr. White, the state is offering that you serve 1 year deferred adjudicated probation during the 1 year probationary period. You will be required to pay a fine of $240 plus court costs of $377. You'll be required to pay a probation fee of $6 a month. Your announcement is $15 a month, reimbursement fee of $15. And you'll be required to pay $100 fee to a family violence center in Jefferson County. Your total monthly installments, that is a total amount that you will be required to pay each month, is $145 a month. Will you be able to pay the $145 each month?
Yes, sir.
You'll also be required to perform 36 hours of community service. You have to attend and complete an anger management class. And you have no contact with the victim in this case, Crystal Colazo. And you will also be required to adhere to the other standard terms and conditions of this probation. Mr. White, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes.
Mr. White, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Now, Mr. White, if you successfully complete this probationary period, this case will be dismissed. It will not result in a conviction on your record. And you may qualify for non-disclosure, whereby your record will be sealed to the general public. And you could talk to your attorney, Mr. Macon, about the non-disclosure because he's quite confident in those matters. Now, Mr. White, I need to give you a written admonition on ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. And this form states that in accordance with the Texas Administrative Code, Section 176.1, the court hereby admonishes you of the following. Number one, you are by entry of order or judgment ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Number two, beginning now, if you possess a firearm or ammunition, it could lead to charges against you. If you have questions about how long you will be ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, you should consult an attorney. Number 3, under Texas Penal Code Section 46.013, a firearms mean any device designed, made, or adapted to expel a projectile through a barrel by using the energy generated by an explosion or burning substance, or any device readily convertible to that use. B, firearm does not include a firearm that may have, as an integral part, a folding knife blade or other characteristics of weapons made illegal by Penal Code Chapter 46, and that is 1, an antique or curio firearm manufactured before 1899, or 2, a replica of an antique or curio firearm manufactured before 1899, but only if the replica does not use rimfire or centerfire ammunition. For more information about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or for more information on how long your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition lasts, the court recommends you contact an attorney. For your reference, you may wish to consult the statutes listed below, which may or may not apply to your circumstances. Code of Criminal Procedure Article 17.292, Master's Orders for Emergency Protection. Code of Criminal Procedure Articles 27.14E1, feel guilty or no contender in a misdemeanor case. Code of Criminal Procedure Article 42.0131, notice for persons convicted of misdemeanors involving family violence. Penal Code Section 46.02, unlawful carrying weapons. Penal Code Section 46.04, unlawful possession of firearm. Penal Code Section 25.07, violation of certain court orders, conditions of bond in a family violence, child abuse and neglect, sexual assault or abuse, indecent assault, stalking, or trafficking case. Family Code Section 85.026, warning on protective orders. Now, the written admonition that you have is for your records. You can stand next to the bailiff, follow her directions. Once you're finished following her directions,
See,
meet you outside. Oh, he said it was a no contact. Did you say no contact?
Correct.
Okay, we just have to, let me see, that's, send White back to me.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, because it disappeared from my, oh, okay. Just have a seat in that first chair and wait for your name to be called. And once your name is called, you're gonna go to the bailiff and follow her direction. Once you finish following her direction, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day. And Mr. Macon, you're free to go as well. You have a blessed day. What is that? Terrific. Oh, okay.
That's not me.
Right. Right. Right.
when you're in court, the court has a certain, the court has rules that, you must conduct yourself, okay? We have to have what is called a certain decorum, okay? And if you fail to abide by by the rules, then the court can hold you in what is called contempt of court. We can send you to jail for up to 180 days and assess a fine up to $500. Okay? All right. So now who is his attorney? Mr.
Smith.
Bruce?
Bruce Smith.
Yeah, Mr. Smith just got out the hospital. Okay? And so that's why Mr. Smith is not here. Okay?
Yeah, I know that.
That's what I'm telling you. Okay, I don't need you to respond. When I ask a question, then you respond. Once I'm making a statement is not a question. Okay? Now, do you understand what I'm saying? Okay. Now, Mr. Bennett, as I mentioned to you earlier, Mr. Smith just got out the hospital. And because Mr. Smith just got out the hospital, he can't be here today. And so your case has to be reset, which means you have to be given another court date. Okay, it's through no fault of nobody in here. And Mr. Smith had to go to the hospital and stay in the hospital for several days. And now he's out of the hospital. Okay. So at this time, your case is going to be reset. Now, let me tell you this here, Mr. Smith. There's something that's called respect. Now, I have a staff here. Okay, anytime you disrespect anyone else staff members, guess what? You're disrespecting me because everybody work they work for the court. Okay, so I'm gonna let you know this right now. We will not tolerate any type of disrespect. Okay. Now your case is gonna be reset. Once your case is reset, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day. All right. Just have a seat in that first chair. Oh, just your case is going to be reset. Once your case is reset, you're free to go. And remember, we're still in court.
I would have recommended to this honorable court to do it.
Okay, this case is reset to give us a reset, August 10th. Okay, this case is reset to August 10th, 2026. Once your case is reset, Mr. Leon, you're free to go?
Yeah.
Thanks for being patient with you. Have a blessed day. All right, get your reset.
Yes, I go for it.
Reynolds.
Now let him lace it. Yes, sir. You don't, then I.
Eurikia Holland? Eurikia?
There, is it Eureka? What do you? Oh, Eureka. Eureka. Oh, we were both on.
Okay.
That's right.
Okay, Miss Holland, how are you doing?
Okay.
That's good, Miss Holland. You're represented in your cases by your attorney, Attorney Nathan Reynolds. And Mr. Reynolds, what is your announcement in Miss Holland's cases?
Judge, Miss Holland has a case pending in the 252nd.
I see that. She has a
And-
felony.
Yes, sir, and
Okay.
it was reset today until June 20th in order for her to hire a lawyer on that case. So I'm not representing her.
You said June 20th.
For her to hire a lawyer.
It was reset in this court for that date? Or, okay,
252nd.
252nd, okay.
And
Hold on a minute.
I would like this case to be reset, not on the 20th, but on whenever her announcement date would be on the, I'm gonna make myself clear.
Yes.
So on the 20th, she's gonna come here and either get an attorney or hire an attorney. And then I'm sure Judge Bradley will reset her for 30 days after that for
You say Judge Bradley?
Judge West, Judge Bradley.
Oh, okay.
For some type
Okay.
of announcement. Anyway, Judge, I would like for this case to be set with, afterwards, probably the latter part of July.
Hold on a minute. Let me look at this. This is on.
I
the
think that would
announcement.
probably be best.
That means, oh, you working?
No,
Okay.
I was going to go to some just.
Yeah, she said,
She has to go back over there on the 20th, but that's
Right.
just for her to get a lawyer.
okay, wait a minute.
Bill.
Hold on a minute.
What you go back June 20?
Oh, here we go. Just see, you were just appointed on these cases, one of them was just, the last one was, you was just appointed May 28th. Appointed on, April 17th before that. Okay. Okay, you're gonna give her a reset after the 20th?
If we could go into maybe the latter part of July, and that would give whoever.
Time for the announcement and everything. I
Yes.
understand. Yes.
It's the 20th of August.
What I'm doing?
No. They have a felony case that's reset for her to hire an attorney.
But when is that case?
That's the case, what we're gonna do, that case is set on the 20th of next month,
No, okay, this month.
of 20, that's just,
June 20th.
You just gave her 2 weeks.
okay, but we could set it in July, I mean,
That would be helpful.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, she has to, June.
June 20th is that, that's what you're saying. Well, they get them a Saturday.
They weren't paying attention. Necessarily.
Cause the 19th is a Friday.
It looks like.
Which is a
20 to me.
holiday, correct?
Yeah.
Right,
Let me see if they change it.
20th.
That's what it says.
Hold on, let me see if they change it. That's why I was confused. I'm like July 20th.
All right, 20th.
July 27th. Okay. Ms. Holland, your cases will be reset to July 27th, 2026. You'll get your recess from our court coordinator. Once you get your recess, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day. Hazel Nelson. This is a, hold on a minute, Miss Nelson. Nelson. This case is 56. Attorney rep letter, okay. Miss some bond conditions.
If the heard of state respectfully request that we break for lunch, given that we have
Okay.
the trial this afternoon.
Okay, we're gonna have to. Okay. Now, Miss Nelson, your full name is Hazel Root Nelson. How you doing, Miss Nelson? That's good. Now you're represented by your attorney, Buddy Reynolds. And Mr. Reynolds, what is your announcement?
Judge, we received a plea bargain this morning by the DA. I think Mr. Vernon is a prosecutor on this case. And
Well, I don't think he is now.
well, that's what I was told.
Well,
I show Farrah Nixon on the docket.
That's what I was told, Judge, that Mr. Vernon had made this.
from my. I'll have to, I'll honor, I'll convey you and all that.
Okay, I just wanted to know who's.
Okay, I'll take over the case. You can put me.
Okay, if we could hold our announcement, Judge, let me visit with Mr. Williams.
Okay. Okay, you want to talk to him now?
Yeah.
Okay, just have a seat. Mr. Grove's client, I need to get him out and go reappoint him.
Give me a moment, buddy, okay?
Okay.
We can talk about it. We can do it at 1:30.
Okay.
But we can talk now.
All right. Yeah.
I'll speak with you in a moment, Mr. Dewey.
Hold on, that's what I'm getting ready to do now. Darian Broussard. How you doing, Mr. Broussard? How you doing, Mr. Broussard?
I'm all right.
That's good. Now, Mr. Broussard, you're represented by your attorney, David Grove. Mr. Grove is, he's sick, so he's not able, so I'm gonna have to reappoint you another lawyer. And attorney that will be appointed in this case is attorney Tom Burbank. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Attorney Burbank will be given information to contact you, and you will be given information to contact him. You can get that information from our court coordinator. Once you get that information, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
You too.
Okay? Anybody else for Grove?
We do have one on the, maybe that was Macy.
There's definitely.
Okay. We don't have any other lawyers here?
No, the young lady right here, her case was dismissed across the street, and I think there is dismissed over here.
Okay, Ms. Takira Hill, would you please come forward? Okay, Ms. Hill, I have before me a motion to dismiss your case. that was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. Is that correct, State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm dismissing this case. Ms. Hill, you could be able to get a copy of the dismissal. Once you get a copy, you're free to go.
Yes, sir.
And you have a blessed day. All right. Hill. Okay. I'll quote. Okay, I think
Right.
More time, because I just gotta pay the lawyer.
okay.
Okay, I-
Just have a seat. Your case will be reset for you to hire.
Yes, sir. Thanks so much.
They'll call you up. Your case was reset last month for you to hire an attorney. You haven't hired an attorney. Do you,
This month I had an expense that my dog has to have surgery tomorrow and it took my little check, so.
you still want to hire an attorney?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
we're gonna reset your case. Your case is gonna be reset for you to hire. Just have a seat in that chair on the wall.
Okay.
All right, and wait for your name to be called. Okay, the gentleman, sir, what's your name?
That Woodrow's
Uh,
client.
this client? Okay,
Which one?
okay, in the back,
Justin?
what's your, oh, we already had,
Is that what you working?
Yeah.
You working on Justin?
you with, Mr.,
Okay,
okay.
Justin Jacobs been accepted into the pre-trial program.
okay, so he can go then.
He can go, well,
He was accepted?
that's what Sam told me.
Reset.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Jacobs? You say his name is,
You said Jacob Johnson.
Oh, Jay.
oh, that's Don Boudreaux's client.
He's been accepted to.
He has a first, two last names or first.
Okay, so he's been accepted in the pretrial diversion program.
Correct.
And so his sign-up date is August, I would imagine.
That detail, but I would imagine so.
Mr., and that's Mr. Mr. Boudreaux,
Yes.
your client has been accepted in the pretrial diversion program. Mr. Jacobs has been accepted in the Jacob Johnson has been accepted in the pretrial diversion program.
Yes, sir.
So, Mr. Jake Johnson, just come forward. Have you, received, your signing date?
No, sir.
I think that has to come from your attorney they usually send it to your attorney. You have to contact him so he can sign up for pre-trial diversion. He's already been accepted.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
But I've been trying to make sure I understood what was going on.
well, he's accepted in the pre-trial diversion. So since he's in pre-trial diversion, only thing he needs to do is sign up, and the next signing date is in August.
Okay,
But you need to make sure that he gets on that list.
yes.
Okay, you gotta get with is it through y'all probation office? Is it or through the DA's office?
think it's through the DA's office, Judge.
Okay,
And Judge, when the one right below there I think it would be mine too.
Brian Will Turner has been reset to the 15th. It's pending with the felony that arose out the same set of facts. It's over in the CDC.
no. Oh, okay, tell me.
Will Turner, yes, sir.
Okay,
Those cases just have to
okay.
go on.
Yeah, that is not today. Okay, that case is not today. Do we have a court date for his misdemeanor case? Brian will turn to get with,
For today, I'm just saying we should set it to the 15th.
Okay.
It's the next one.
hold on a minute. Hold on, Mr. Boudreaux, just hold on a minute. Just hold on a minute, let me find.
Will we be able to go up to the DA's office?
You probably can go up there after lunch, I would imagine.
Okay,
Yeah, you probably can go there after lunch.
okay, I'll be glad to do that.
All right. All right, y'all can go up there after lunch. His case is gonna be reset here. We're gonna reset your case in, I think it's August the 10th. Just have a seat and wait for your name to be called. Just have a seat in that chair on the wall.
Okay.
That's one guy left.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Voting recess to 1:15.